Hello students, myself Sri D.K. Kamlakar, Assistant Professor for Commerce in Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today we are going to learn MCOM Part 2 Semester 3's topic Management Accounting. In that we can understand the difference between management accounting and financial accounting. In previous lecture we seen the management accounting meaning and definition as well as the role played by management accounting in decision making. Now we can understand the difference between management accounting and financial accounting. This difference can be understood by points or factors. So first point is meaning. Management accounting is a system of accounting concerned with the internal reporting or information to the management for planning and controlling operations, decision making on special matters and formulating long-run plans. Whereas in financial accounting, meaning is financial accounting is meant to serve parties external to the operating responsibilities of the undertaking. Object. Management accounting object of a management accounting is to provide financial cost as well as other information to managerial personnel at all levels in the hierarchy to facilitate decision making. The object of financial accounting is to record various transactions with the purpose of maintaining accounts and to know the financial position and to find out the profit or loss at the end of financial year. Subject matter. Management accounting deals separately with different units, departments and cost centers. It reports activities of each segment of a business. Financial accounting is the concern with the result of a business as a whole. Income statement and balance sheet report overall performance of the business. Nature of data used. Management accounting has a futuristic orientation. It supplies projected or estimated data on basis of past analysis. Financial accounting has a historical orientation. It uses actual data. It is a post-mortem analysis of a financial statement. Description. Management accounting uses both monetary and non-monetary events, the completion in the market, impact of policy changes, impact of political changes, situation of a trade cycle and such other factors are considered in management accounting. Through this cannot be measured monetary terms. Hence, management accounting makes use of data which is descriptive, subjective and related to future. In management accounting, we learn this. Financial accounting, only those things which can be measured in monetary terms are recorded in financial accounting. Anything which cannot be recorded in figures is outside the scope of financial accounting. Hence, financial accounting makes use of data which is historical in nature, quantitative, monetary, and objective. Preciseness. In management accounting, no emphasis is given to the actual figures. Thus, approximate figures are considered more useful than exact figures. Hence, the information may be less precise, only indicating the trends to guide the management. In financial accounting, only actual figures are recorded and there is no room for using approximate figures. Hence, there is a great emphasis on precision and accuracy. Methodology. In management accounting, information is collected and analyzed according to the responsibility center or cost center. In financial accounting, transactions related to nominal accounts, real accounts, and personal accounts are to be recorded. Importance. Management accounting gives importance on quality such as flexibility, consistency, and comparability, etc. Financial accounting gives more importance on obligations such as objectivity, preciseness, and correctness, etc. Accounting principles. In management accounting, no generally accepted accounting principles and standards rules are followed in management accounting. Why? Preparing reports, there is a lot of flexibility in method and style of presentation of information. Financial accounts are strictly prepared on the basis of generally accepted accounting principles and standard rules. The principles and standard rules are rigidly followed in financial accounting. Now, reporting. Management accounting reports are meant for internal use only. These are prepared for the benefits of different levels of management. Financial accounting are prepared to find out the profitability and financial position of the concern. These reports are used for outsiders like bankers, investors, creditors, shareholders, government agencies, etc. Quickness. Reporting of a management accounting is very quick. Reporting is fed with reports at a regular intervals. Reporting of a financial accounting is slow and time consuming. Profit and loss account and balance sheet is prepared at the end of financial year. The management is able to know profitability and financial position only after the presentation or preparation of a final accounts. Compulsion. The management account is free to use or not to use management accounting. Why? The preparation of financial accounting is mandatory or compulsory in certain undertakings, while these are necessary to other organizations also. Use of other subjects. Management accounting uses certain aspect of other subjects such as economics, statistics, law, management, finance, costing, taxation, marketing, and computers, etc. to prepare its report. Financial accounting does not use any other subject to record and prepare its financial statements. period, the management accountant supplies information from time to time during the whole year by considering the need of management. There is no specific period for furnishing accounting information to management. Financial statements are prepared for a particular period. Financial statements like profit and loss account, balance sheet are prepared at a regular time intervals such as half yearly or year. Publication. Publication of records and reports prepared by management accountant is not compulsory under any law. Statements are prepared for the benefits of the management only and hence these are not published. Financial statements like profit and loss account and balance sheet are published in the form of annual reports for the benefits of the public. Under the Companies Act, every registered company is supposed to supply a copy of profit and loss account and balance sheet to the register of a company at the end of the financial year. Audit. Management accounting statements cannot be audited. They are not based on the actual figures and projected data are also used in the management accounting. So it is not possible to get management accounting statement audited. While financial accounting records can get audited under the Companies Act, auditing of a financial accounts are compulsory. Friends, today we learn the difference between management accounting and financial accounting. In next lecture, we will cover the most important part of this unit, that is tools and techniques of management accounting. Thank you.